Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today going to be opening up I guess you'd call this a hanger pack of Topps Chrome Update 2021. It says look for autographs and 1/1 superfractors, and on the odds, it seemed like not terrible odds to get an autograph out of these. So let's see. Let me show the odds a little bit longer there so you can see them. Found these at the local Target, and like, you know what? Usually you can get some cool stuff out of Topps Chrome Update every year, and it seems like they're not that great at the time, but then you look back years down the road and it's like, wow, these were great. So because there's a lot of good rookies in these, and sometimes it takes a little bit of time for those rookies to really develop. We got empty box. Need to show the empty box. Put that there. So there's the 5 packs with 4 cards each. I've never seen a single Topps Chrome Update card yet, so let's see. Oh, there's actually pack odds also there. Should be a very similar looking card to some insert. Oh, something there. Got Tyler Wells, rookie. Justin Williams, rookie. And we have Vladimir Gutierrez. And a Yadier Molina Topps Gold card. That's pretty cool. Not numbered. We have Ahmed Rosario, Chicken Tendies, Yermin Mercedes rookie, and Josh Reddick. Next pack. Ooh, we got something, a purple wave type card. That's like an extra card in that pack. Because it didn't say there's 4 cards. So Jameson Talon, Steven Matz, Ryan Mountcastle rookie debut, Nick Maton. Man, that's one thing I don't like about this year's Topps is these names are really tough for me to read. That's a rookie. And Jake Odorizzi, Pink Wave. It's not numbered. Next card. Kai Tom, rookie. We got a die cut. Kirby Puckett, Platinum players. Dylan Carlson, rookie debut. Hyesung Kim, rookie debut. And last pack. Jorge Mateo, rookie. Willie Adams, Christian Pache, rookie debut, and Brent Honeywell, rookie debut. Oh, that's not a rookie debut. That's just a rookie. So, quite a few interesting rookie debut cards, and we did get this weird pink wave refractor. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I did buy a couple other one of these hanger packs, so stay tuned. Later.